Hi friends, and welcome to another Sunnyside design tutorial. Today we are going to be making a DIY canopy for a bed. For this project we are going to use a couple of flat sheets for the fabric. Now we picked up these sheets at Target and they were only $10 for a set, which was the flat, the fitted, and a case. That was a great deal. And we are using this because Ellie specifically wanted for her canopy to have gold dots. And we were unable to find curtains, and so we are just making our own out of sheets, which saved us quite a bit of money. They were only $10 for the package, so it was a great deal. The other supplies that we are going to use will be some Velcro to Velcro it on, and then we are going to use the metal part from this sofa table. We picked up this sofa table at a local thrift store, and it was not our intention to use this as a bed crown or a canopy, but we were going to use the top for possibly a memo board or a chalkboard. But as we took it apart, we realized that it would be a fun canopy. So as we take it apart, you'll see what we have in mind for it. Once we removed the top and the legs, this is what is remaining, this middle section. And so our plan is to cut off that back section so it will just be a three-sided piece here. You'll see right here, we're going to cut right there with a grinder. Okay, so we have a grinder here fitted with just a cutting disc or blade. I don't think it's really a blade, a cutting disc. Anyway, my husband's doing this part. I didn't really want to get the sparks on me, so I'd recommend if you're doing this yourself that you put on some long sleeves, long pants. I just let him go ahead and do this part, and it really just took a matter of a few minutes for it to cut apart. And once that one side is totally cut off, then we flipped it around and cut the other side. Now this metal was a gold finish, but it kind of clashed with the gold dots on our fabric. So we just picked up a brushed gold spray paint and gave the whole thing a little light coat of paint. And I want you to notice there, you can see the little edges where the legs bolted on to the metal frame. In just a minute, we're going to show you how we covered that area so that it looked pretty as well.
After rummaging through some of my decor bins, we came across some curtain tiebacks that I used to have in our old home, and this is going to work fantastic. We're gonna spray paint it so it matches and then just attach it on, and it's gonna be gorgeous.
We gave both sides of these little metal tie bags a spray of that gold spray paint so they matched the rest of our canopy frame. Now we are going to use Velcro to hang the fabric from our metal frame that we mount up on the ceiling. We just used a self-adhesive Velcro, and we did run out of that, so then we just used regular Velcro and used our E6000 glue. We are now ready to mount our metal frame up to the ceiling for our canopy, and we are going to place some drywall anchors into the ceiling. We're using 75-pound rated drywall anchors, and first we're going to just drill a pilot hole in the drywall before we mount them. We then use the drill on the slow speed to insert those drywall anchors into the ceiling. Next, we brought in our metal frame, and we just used the screws that came with the drywall anchors and secured up through those brackets into the anchors there. Now we are using sheets for our fabric for the actual canopy. We did look for some ready-made curtains, but we couldn't find anything with a gold dot on it like we wanted and was requested by Ellie. So we just created some pleats at one end of the sheet, and we spaced them about 1 inch apart, and then we just stitched them in place. And this will fit the length of our canopy. And then we stitched the Velcro right on top of those pleats. We did 2 rows of stitches, one at the top and one at the bottom edge of the Velcro.
All right, we're ready to hang up this fun fabric. Just gonna attach it right to our Velcro. A little easier if I'm turned the other way. That's it. Isn't this so stinking cute, you guys? And all we did was use an old sofa table and curtains. Nope, not even curtains. That's what it was. Sheets. We turned them into curtains, kind of. But it's so much fun.
So what do you think of this upcycle idea? Taking a sofa table and turning it into a cute bed crown for a French daybed and using sheets.
Yeah, we hunted and hunted for the perfect fabric and
Couldn't find it.
sheets. We also, I mean, we'll put the link in the description and in our blog post, but $10 for a pack of sheets, fitted, flat, and a pillow case. So
Yeah,
you cannot beat that.
Cannot beat that. And Ellie was very specific that she wanted gold polka dotted fabric.
She did.
And sometimes that's hard to find when she's, especially curtains.
Yep.
And we couldn't find exactly what we wanted, but we were able to and spend even less money.
Yep. So we hope you liked this tutorial. Let us know if you have things lying around your house. Maybe you can think of fun ways to upcycle them or turn them into a bed crown. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to our channel if you have not already. We look forward to hearing from your comments and questions, and follow us on social media. All of our links are below. And as always here at Sunnyside Design, we hope to bring your home to the sunny side of the street.